Welcome to Sofia, the capital city of Bulgaria, where ancient history meets vibrant modernity. Nestled in the heart of the Balkans, Sofia is one of Europe's oldest cities with a rich tapestry of cultural and historical heritage. Join us as we explore the timeless beauty and contemporary charm of this fascinating city. Our journey begins at the iconic Alexander Nevsky Cathedral, one of Sofia's most recognizable landmarks. This stunning architectural marvel, with its golden domes and intricate mosaics, stands as a symbol of Bulgaria's spiritual and cultural identity. It was built in the early 20th century to honor the Russian soldiers who died in the Russo-Turkish War, which led to Bulgaria's liberation from Ottoman rule. Next, we move to the heart of Sofia, where the ancient meets the modern. The city center is a bustling hub of activity, featuring a blend of historical sites, modern shops, and vibrant cafes. Sofia Boulevard, the main shopping street, is perfect for a leisurely stroll, offering a mix of luxury brands and local boutiques. Sofia is also home to many historical landmarks, including the Roman Rotunda of St. George, which dates back to the 4th century. This ancient church is the oldest building in Sofia and stands as a testament to the city's rich history. Despite its age, it remains an active place of worship and a must-visit for history enthusiasts. A short walk from the Rotunda takes us to the ruins of Serdica, the ancient Roman city that once thrived here. The remains of Serdica are a fascinating glimpse into Sofia's past, with well-preserved remnants of Roman streets, houses, and public buildings. Nature enthusiasts will be delighted by Sofia's proximity to Sofia Mountain, a popular destination for hiking, skiing, and enjoying panoramic views of the city. The Sofia Nature Park, one of the oldest nature parks in the Balkans, offers numerous trails and a diverse array of flora and fauna. Sofia's transport infrastructure makes it easy to explore the city and beyond. The efficient metro system, along with buses and trams, ensures that all major attractions are easily accessible. The city is also well connected to other parts of Bulgaria and neighboring countries, making it a convenient base for further travel. As our tour of Sofia comes to an end, we hope you've enjoyed this glimpse into a city where history and modernity coexist in perfect harmony. Sofia's rich cultural heritage, vibrant art scene, and welcoming atmosphere make it a truly unique destination. We invite you to visit and experience the magic of Sofia for yourself. Thank you for joining us on this journey through Sofia, Bulgaria. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more travel adventures. Until next time, happy travels!